Mother and daughter get life in prison after killing of 5 relatives. A mother and her adult daughter were sentenced Monday to life in prison in the slayings of 5 close relatives, including 3 children, outside Philadelphia last year.
Dear, my wonderful people, it's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, nuclear, rebel. Why you fly all the way from Paris? And not tell me, oh, he afraid of Chuck Norris, sure. Yo, rebel, the man them a say afraid of Chuck Norris. Yo, this, me have to jump right into this. Now, this lady right there, a mother on the left side, the daughter on the right. And they did one of the most despicable acts. I am gonna play the news clip so they can't hear, but me I tell you now. Them kill 5 of them family members. Them kill our sister, the kids them, and them kill our cousin. Now, one thing that really triggered me to do this piece, it's because these 2 ladies, they have severe mental illness. You hear me? Severe mental illness. I'm gonna talk about that a little bit because, you know, I feel like, remember the black, Jamaican black, we suffer from mental illness. And I think that's one of the biggest problems in our community. It's a thing that's not talked about, but in this case, the family them know. So the mother on the left had mental, she was a schizoid, schizophrenia, and had, I guess, ulterior personalities, and the daughter on the right was the same. The family try and get them help. You understand? And nothing came out of it. Long story short, this lady on the left and her daughter killed 5 close family members. The judge said it was a horrible crime, even though they apologized, and they ended up getting 5 life term each. So the mother get 5 and the daughter get 5. This happened up in Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, side of town. You understand? And it's a very unspeakable act. Now, during the years, I'm gonna make the video play. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification button. And just click on another video after this one. But, like I said, I am doing this video to highlight mental illness. I don't know if I'm doing a good job right now, but a lot of us in our community have mental illness and we're not dealing with it, and it's creating chaos. I mean, you can see it in Jamaica, you see it in America. It's like my mother would say, it's like we have a stigma. So we need to talk about mental issue, things we're facing, and have a conversation. How many times in Jamaica you just say what happened in Portmore? the young man kill him mother and him father, and his mother is a principal for a big time prep school in Jamaica. Big time prep school. I think I can't remember the name of the prep school, but it's a prep school. And the young man killed his mother and father and turned himself in. You understand? Because they knew he was going crazy and they needed help, but there was no help in sight. So this is one reason why I'm doing this, and it is such a sad, really sad case. Just watch the video and you'll know what happened. My name is COUNTRYMAN. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. And like I said, I am doing this video to highlight mental illness. Get your mind right. Go and check your mind. You understand? Believe me, because me personally, me know me have mental illness, but one thing I try to do, I address it and I'm aware of it. I know how to diffuse it. I know the triggers. You know what I'm saying? Like I was talking to somebody night before, a family member, and they mentioned something, and yo, that shit nearly threw me, you know, in a state of depression. I'm not lying. And you know, I was talking to a friend of mine, and she was like, yo, you know, you need to shake that. You need to shake that thing, that depression. So, yeah. Depression, mental illness in our community is real, and we need to get it addressed. Like I said, my name is COUNTRYMAN. Like, share, subscribe, and hit your notification button, and watch the rest of this clip. And don't be afraid to talk about your mental illness. Because I have family member who have mental illness and never tell me. And we live with that family member there for years, and now it really makes sense. Let's go.
Shauna Decree, 47, and Dominique Decree, 21, were sentenced in Bucks County Court after entering guilty but mentally ill pleas to 5 counts of first-degree murder. This is horrible and tragic, because I do believe the two of you have expressed remorse, Bateman said Monday as he sentenced the defendants. The hardest thing for me to do is decide who to say I'm sorry to first, Shauna Decree said. Dominique Decree sobbed as she said her actions will haunt her for the rest of her life. Deputy District Attorney Christopher Reese said Monday that the killings took place over the course of 3 days. Court-appointed psychologists and psychiatrists concluded that both defendants had severe mental illness, including schizoid personality disorder, major depressive disorder and post-traumatic stress disorder. Attorneys for both defendants said their clients had expressed horror and remorse following the killings. By murdering Erica, Imani, Damon, Nera, and Jamila, they've decimated entire generations of their own family, Weintraub said.